What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. We're going to look at the best NFT and Metaverse projects that just recently took a nice bounce or impulse to the upside following our crypto crash. And we can see on the weekly market capitalization, we are still down quite a bit for some of the very popular coins. This is the weekly market cap, so we're still due a proper recovery. Bitcoin is down 14.5%, Ethereum is down 21.1%, and we can actually see our top 10 blue chips, the valuation has decreased quite massively. Ethereum back into the $2,000 level. BNB is just $308. So we can look at the crypto, metaverse, and NFT topics today. We can see over the last 12 months worldwide, basically NFTs has been very popular. The Metaverse, however, has a lot of catching up to do, but I do think this would be something that does trend in the future, and especially in the next bull market. I think a lot of Web3 projects are going to be really looking strong. So let's see what happens. But the first coin is going to be Apecoin. So we've seen a really nice bounce for Apecoin. Actually, we came down to like a $5.28 level. Already we've bounced up to $9.20. So lots of trading volume over here, guys. $2.7 billion in the last 24 hours, which is actually more trading volume than market capitalization. As you see, 1.07. And that shows you how much traction and how many eyes are on this particular coin right now. Very tradable. Apecoin, of course, created by Yuga Labs, is an NFT project as well, tied in with the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Mutant Ape Yacht Club. And so behind this project are some of the biggest influences in the whole of the crypto space. This was basically launched on all centralized exchanges immediately. As you can see, some of the people behind it, co-founder of Reddit, head of ventures and gaming at FTX. And yeah, I'm extremely bullish on this. I've got very nice tokenomics and system. If you don't know about this one, make sure you do your own research, of course, because any cryptocurrency investment is risky. What did happen with our Apecoin is that we had this rising wedge, and we did the impossible. We broke to the upside of the rising wedge, made an all-time high at $27. Since then, we had a very big correction, to be fair, about 80% correction, a little bit more, 81% correction, and now we're sort of producing this V-shaped recovery, which in my opinion looks like it could actually turn into very much a head and shoulders pattern. Maybe something like this before breaking up to the upside. Maybe that's a bit bullish, maybe that's a bit moon boy. We are about being pragmatic on this channel, but we were extremely oversold on the 4-hour time frame, as well as almost on the daily time frame for this particular project. So I do speculate we might have a $10.27 Apecoin soon. If we can break to the upside even further, we could be looking at some higher resistance levels, such as $14.40. So yeah, I do think we may get where is our head and shoulders pattern? Right over here somewhere. I actually can't find it right now. Head and shoulders. So I think we might possibly get head and shoulders, guys. So keep an eye on this one here, because if we do get head and shoulders, it's going to look pretty bullish, and we're going to get that breakout to the upside, and that will look nice. That would be very nice. Lots of momentum. So keep an eye. The next one is going to be Decentraland Mana. So coin number 3, another NFT Metaverse project. We can see over the 3 months we were all the way at $3.29. Looking a year back as well, we were at $4.70. So we've been in a continuous macro downtrend since, but I do think we're beginning to become a little bit undervalued. And with what's just happened, the lunar crash or the COVID crash like event, the same level of fear and RSI oversoldness has been experienced. We can see market cap is now $2 billion with a $1.09 valuation. The volume to market cap is 0.58, so we're still getting a lot of trade volume, not quite as much as the Apecoin. So this is Decentraland Mana, of course. You guys probably already know what it is. They've got a marketplace, they have lots of NFTs, gaming, trading, lots of exciting stuff on this particular website, and Mana is looking extremely undervalued in my opinion. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see we're all the way back down to these lower levels. We came back down to 0.59 cents and already bounced up to $1. So if you got in at these levels down at 0.6, you just doubled your money effectively. What could happen? Of course, we have had quite a big correction still. You know, we came down 90% now, and if you look at where we are, we're 80%. So we have made a bit of a recovery, but I don't know if it's enough to warrant like getting super bullish right now. I'd like to see us come up to the 0.786 Fibonacci level at $1.58 resistance. That would be quite nice to see if that can happen. If we look at the fib extension as well, we got $1.88 here and some targets for future cycles, we'll be looking at least a $9 to $10 lunar mana for the future. Step N is the next one, a move to earn, just like play to earn cryptocurrency metaverse project. Really cool. This is probably one of the best play to earn, move to earn projects out there in the whole of cryptocurrency at the moment. We can see the volume to market cap. We had extraordinary volumes. We've just had loads of smart money flow into this project. $1 billion market cap, $1.66 trading at the moment. Really like this project. We came up to $4 and then we plummeted down to like $1. So definitely took the correction that we needed to. This is the glorious website. Really like it. You can see the distance running total. You've got Discord and Twitter that you can access here. We've also got a very transparent roadmap, which is quite important at the same time. So I do really like what I'm seeing for this particular project. GMT came down to about $1, a bit less really when you look at the full capitulation. And we came down to this key area of support. We just lost it before flipping it back into a support level, as it was a resistance. Now we're back through this level here, which does also look really good. So we've got this key support at $1.61. I don't know how likely it is that we will make a full V-shaped recovery, but if we do make that V-shaped recovery over the next few days, we should be coming up to $2.08 and also $2.57. Another rising wedge scenario that we broke out with, and we took a harsh correction. If we look at the Fibonacci retracement, we did come down below the 0.786, and it does now give us new targets to potentially look at for GMT. I'd like to at least see us come through to the 0.382 Fibonacci extension, which will be $1.99. If we can get there by the end of the week, I think we're making a good recovery. Hopefully it's just not a relief bounce in the market and something more temporary. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you do head over to my Twitter page. You can enter my Twitter giveaway for $100 potential winning, which will be announced in just 12 days. So make sure you head over there. Also get yourself into the Discord channel. About 250 people in here at the moment, and it would be great to see you here. If you want to buy any of these amazing NFT, metaverse, cryptocurrencies, you can use the link in my description at the very bottom and start opening an account for a long-term HODL investment strategy on our FCA SciSec accredited exchange. Because this channel, well, we're going to look at opportunities for the future. We're not trying to get rich or wealthy over the next day or week or month. We're looking at projects which can effectively have a good supply phase, dollar cost average into, has real utility, value, and is most likely to grow over time, so we can actually, enjoy those profits and prospect and prosper on long-term gains. I think that's the best way to do it, because with crypto, it's all long-term. And the reason, well, how we know this is using BLX chart, for instance. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see it doesn't matter when you buy crypto. Any market cycle top you buy, you could buy this market cycle top. If you bought 2017 market cycle top and you just held for enough days, for instance 1,000 days there, you'll be in profit. And you could speculate the same again. If you bought the all-time high here, maybe in 1,000 days you'll be in profit again. Maybe it'll be 2024 where we see these euphoric highs again for Bitcoin. Who knows? This could just be one large bear market, which is a great opportunity to dollar cost average in. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. If you like this content, subscribe, like, comment down below. I shall see you soon.